So we're going to be dividing by 10, by 100, and by 1000. And in my other tutorial, I do go through the whole process with a little bit of detail. This video though, this tutorial video is all about keeping it simple, easy, and quick. Just get the right answer. So I want to show you how to do that. Yep, so here are some questions that we can have a go at. And you'll see it is very, very easy. You really don't have to do much, if any, calculating at all. Here's how to get the answer. So we have for question A, we have 1,354. That's a whole number. So the decimal point goes here. And when we divide, all we need to remember is that we're going to move the decimal point to the left. That's all you really need to remember. And then you just need to be able to count. We're going to move the decimal point towards the left, and we just need to know how many places it'll move. Well, that's where you count up the zeros. Okay, so in the multiple of 10 that you're dividing by, that you're dividing this number by. So 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be moved 1, 2, 3. So it'll end up here. So the final answer is 1.354. And remember, when you divide, the number that you're going to end up with is smaller than what you started with. And that is the case here. So let's try again. 315, 317, let's say. It's a whole number, so the decimal point is here. Remember, in any whole number, the decimal point's at the end. We don't write it down, that's all. Okay, so we're going to divide by 100, so that's 2 spaces, right? 1, 2, to the left. And so the final answer is 3.17. Okay, let's keep going. We've got 1510. Where's the decimal point? Right here at the end. We're going to divide by 100, so that's 1, 2. So 1, 2. And the final answer is 15 point. You can have 10, nothing wrong with that, but you don't really have to include the trailing 0, so you can just have 15.1 at the same value. Okay, for this one here, we've got 85. Decimal point is here. We have to divide by 1,000, so it's 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so decimal point will go here. This gap here doesn't have a digit in it yet, but we have to put one in because we skipped the space. So we put a 0 in. And so the final answer is 0.085. And the last question here, 7043, decimal point here, dividing by 10, so that's 1 space, goes in 1, and the final answer is 704.3. And that's how they're done. Very, very straightforward.